After I published a video I made in HitFilm Express for the very first time early this month, my friends told me that the audio volume was very low. So I checked it back in HitFilm Express, and the volume here is good. On YouTube or WeChat channel or in a standalone video player, the video volume is low though. YouTube contains numerous HitFilm Express tutorials. That's how I learned to use it. However, for this specific topic, export volume too low, how to increase export audio volume, etc., there's no help could be found. As such, it took me a long while to figure out a solution, a very simple solution. In case you need it, I'm sharing the solution with you to save you time. What you need is to display the audio mixer under the Window tab. In the audio mixer, you will see the audio bars of individual audio tracks and a master track on the very right side. There are also black dots by each track. What happened to my project was that the black dot on the master track is much lower. That caused the low audio volume in the export video. Simply tap and set the black dot to the same level as the other audio track, then export. The problem is solved. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, thumbing up, leaving comments, sharing, and/or subscribing. See you next time.